Let's explore fruits. Apple, apple. Banana, banana. Kiwi, kiwi. Watermelon, watermelon. Dragon fruit, dragon fruit. Strawberry, strawberry. Star fruit, star fruit. Papaya, papaya. Pineapple, pineapple. Blueberry, blueberry. Pomegranate, pomegranate. Dates, dates. Melon, melon. Mango, mango. Grapes, grapes. Peach, peach. Orange, orange. Plum, plum. Lemon, lemon. Cherry, cherry. Pear, pear. Nectarine, nectarine. Apricot, apricot. Lychee, lychee. Passion fruit, passion fruit. Blackberry, blackberry. Coconut, coconut. Guava, guava. Jackfruit, jackfruit. Raspberry, raspberry. Avocado, avocado. Fig, fig. Cranberry, cranberry. Grapefruit, grapefruit. Prickly pear, prickly pear. Tangerine, tangerine. Gooseberry, gooseberry. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.